Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find hidden messages on Instagram easily. Alright, to the point, open Instagram and click on message icon in the top right corner. So you can find three types: primary, general, and request. You can choose the request, and so you can find hidden messages here, and here comes the request message. So you have to confirm the message and can move it to primary or general so that it's no longer hidden. But I'm not here, so I can't give an example directly. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.